He's one of the greatest experts. His career has focused on developing innovative structural engineering solutions, Greater China Award, among many others. So thank you very much to be here. You have the power. So please, thank you very much to be here.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much to invite me here.
Bringing us all together around this very emerging topic of structural design and artificial intelligence.
The title of my talk this morning is Innovative Applications of AI in Built Structures.
Like AI is everywhere and it is here to stay.
So that means that most of the people believe that we will be using AI and
We can predict incident in advance.
The nature of the monitoring data using statistical pattern recognition.
It's a great pleasure and an honor to be here at the beginning of this revolution in civil engineering.